Hello and welcome to this video on saving and exporting on OVID. To save searches and results on OVID, you will first of all need to register for a personal account, which you can do by visiting the My Account option just at the top here. To save a search, click on the box next to the line, which has your final results in, and then click Save. Give your search a name, and then choose between a permanent or a temporary save. You can also use this option to create alerts for your search. Click on Save, and then you can find your saved searches by visiting My Workspace just at the top here, and then selecting My Searches and Alerts. To save results, you can either select individual results or you can select all if your results list is less than 1,000. You then just need to click the My Projects icon just at the top here, and then create a folder, or you can save to an existing one. Your saved results will also go under the My Workspace option. And for exporting results, this can be done with or without saving. So to export from a project folder, select what you want to export and then click the export option just over on the right here. Then just need to choose the format you want to export to and then click Export. Now, without saving, exporting is a similar process. But depending on the format you want to export to, you can also export your search history at the same time. So just make sure that this box next to search history is ticked. For exporting your search or to send a copy to a colleague, you can choose from the three options here of emailing your search, creating a link to your search, or having a copy of your search history. For the first two options, the person receiving the search will also need an Open Athens account. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any further questions on OVID, you can visit the help section just at the top here, or you can contact your site library. You can also view our e-learning course on Moodle.